Hi everyone, this is Ramalinga Prasad Kuppa. Welcome to my channel, Pharma World. Today's topic is returned and salvaged drug products as per Subpart K of 21 CFR Part 211. In this video, we are going to discuss the intricate requirements of 21 CFR Part 211 Subpart K requirements. Returned or recalled drug products must be addressed as prescribed in sections 211.204 and 211.208 of the guidelines. Please remember, recall is initiated by the manufacturer themselves when there is an obvious error or anomaly noticed in the marketed product. Return is a product returned from the market for various reasons. Let us see the requirements under section 211.204, the return drug products. Return drug products shall be identified as such and held. If the conditions under which return drug products have been held, stored, or shipped before or during their return, or if the conditions of the drug product, its container, carton, or labeling as a result of storage or shipping casts doubt on the safety, identity, strength, quality, or purity of the drug product, the returned drug products shall be destroyed unless examination, testing, or other investigations prove that the drug product meets appropriate standards of safety, identity, strength, quality, or purity. Identification as such means the conditions under which the drug product is received. This would give a great amount of detail on physical nature of the product received, whether any damages to the containers, both secondary and primary packaging can be visualized immediately. This is something like a crime scene where each and every evidence would lead to the resolution of the entire situation. Evidences should not be disturbed. Obviously, after initial physical inspection, if there is a doubt on the quality of the product returned, it shall be destroyed. But there is a condition here. It says, unless it is examined, tested, and investigated. So, it is not a simple testing to check conformity to chemical attributes. It is to carry out risk assessment using appropriate tools like fishbone diagram, FTA, etc. The investigation should look into other areas of possible chemical or microbial contamination and evaluate comprehensively to ensure that the product meets its specifications fully. If it meets the specifications, it may be considered for any other salvaging action other than destruction. A drug product may be reprocessed provided the subsequent drug product meets appropriate standards, specifications, and characteristics. Records of returned products shall be maintained and shall include the name and label potency of the drug product, dosage form, lot number or control number or batch number, reasons for return, quantity returned, date of disposition, and ultimate disposition of the returned drug product. So, when the drug product is received that meets specifications, it may be reprocessed. Detailed records of all such activities should be captured in official records. If the reason for drugs product being returned implicates associated batches, an appropriate investigation shall be conducted in accordance with the requirements of 211.192. Procedures for the holding, testing, and reprocessing of returned drug products shall be in writing and shall be followed. If there is a common API used in several drug products, all the other implicated batches also have to be investigated for compliance to requirements. Section 211.192 prescribes in production record review all these specific requirements. Also, detailed procedures for handling the returned products should be captured in an effective system and followed. Let us see how product salvaging is carried out as per this section 211.208, the drug product salvaging. Drug products that have been subjected to improper storage conditions, including extremes in temperature, humidity, smoke, fumes, pressure, age, or radiation due to the natural disasters, fires, accidents, or equipment failures shall not be salvaged and returned to the marketplace. So, under these conditions, the drug product shall not be salvaged to send back to the marketplace. Whenever there is a question whether a drug product have been subjected to such conditions, salvaging operation may be conducted only if there is evidence from the laboratory tests and assays, including animal feeding studies, where applicable, that the drug product meets all applicable standards of identity, strength, quality, and purity, and B. Evidence from the inspection of the premises that the drug products and their associated packaging were not subjected to improper storage conditions as a result of this disaster or accident. As discussed in section 211.204, unless you get evidence on these two conditions A and B on the quality of the product salvaging operations cannot be done. Organoleptic examinations shall be accepted only as supplemental evidence that the drug products meet appropriate standards of identity, strength, quality, and purity. Records including name, lot number, and disposition shall be maintained for drug products subject to this section. Organoleptic examination deals with the color, taste, odor, and texture of a substance which may provide relevant information about the characteristics of the product. This would add on to as a support in investigating into the evaluation of the market returns. I hope that this information is useful for handling of returned drugs and their salvaging. Check whether or not these aspects are addressed in your market returns and recall system. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please do subscribe, like, and share. Also, leave a message in comments box in case of any further support. Thank you.